It's good to drink water also. If you have a glass of water during your practice, drink a bit of water, 1 sip or two, and then try again.
I'll keep it next time.
Yeah. Okay. Try once again the sa. It's coming. You understood how to blow, but I think, yeah, when you put the third finger again, one of those two are moving. Maybe the first one. You have to make sure that you know it is flat. It shouldn't be like too much like this. You have to make sure that maybe put more pressure on your finger to make sure that the holes are covered properly. Because your blowing is fine. Now you have to take care about your fingers. And the thumb a little bit outside. I know it's a habit to take. Play ga again. Only the one finger. The thumb a little bit outside. Yes, good. And there. Go down now to there, yeah? Yes. One of them is moving again. Just keep your hand like this. Keep your hand how it is and look at it, what you've been doing. Did you see one hole that is not covered? Maybe one of the two. The two first, I think it's coming from. Then try again. Your thumb outside. Little bit. Usually it's this one causing problem when we play sa, because the third one is more difficult. Don't move the two others. The two others are moving, I can see. Yeah, take your time, relax. Your finger. And you can try again. Before playing, you can check that all the three fingers are covering properly. And then you can try to blow. See, if it's very soft, you can blow a very long note. Try try to put less volume to blow more soft. Take your time. Yes, very good. Okay, once again. Okay, that's good. Okay, now you can try to play after me. The connection is not so good today. Do you hear me properly? And see me properly?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, try once more. Take your time. Sa, re, sa, re. Yeah, you can come back from there. Mhm. Careful not to move those two every time. Again, you can look at your flute. See how you're covering them for the sa and see where it is not covered properly. Because you can see easily like this. And then try again to blow the sa. Less volume. You don't need to blow that strong. I want to see your thumb a little bit more outside. Yeah.